Namaste. My name is CA Kalpana Thakur. I am a practicing chartered accountant. So today I want to share my initial journey of public speaking, how it went, and how Sameer has helped me a lot to do it in a way I actually wanted. So, my first virtual public speaking session was at the end part of September, and I was having around a month's time to prepare for it. And I was towards the preparation of technical part, I was giving my 200%. But when it was coming about the deliberation, how it so much nervousness, worry that how I will be able to deliberate, what type of response I'll get from the audience. So because of which even my preparation towards technical part was up to the mark according to me, but I was not getting the confidence, even a 10% confidence that I'll be able to do it even properly. But before 10 days of my session, there was a 2 days workshop organized by ICAI in virtual mode about the public speaking by our very own Sameer. And trust me guys, there were number of things, methodology he shared for the public speaking, and it helped me a lot to mention all of them is not possible, but few couple of things which I have followed very rigorously and it helped me a lot was, first thing, when we think about any public speech, we think about how we will deliberate the session, what kind of response we'll get from the audience, and because of which so much of stress and tension is what we go through. To this, Sameer has an answer that we should not think about the end result. We should prepare on the technical part, on how our deliberation will be. All the preparation should be there, but we should not think and worry about the end result, because success or failure is a part of any game. So like for the public speaking, and the audience feedback in this case is the measurement of our deliberation. So to this he had a very humorous line that सबसे बड़ा रोग क्या कहेंगे लोग. So don't worry about क्या कहेंगे लोग and give your best. And one more statement of his is engraved on my mind, and I was repeating it most of the time, that your nervousness will convert into your awesomeness if you have intention to serve. That's what in few lines I have tried to sum up how Sameer's deliberation on public speaking has helped me, and I'm looking forward to learn from him to embark my public speaking journey. Thank you so much.